So nagutom ang Inday. So magmerienda muna tayo ng fresh kamatis mula sa ating backyard. Ayan. Let's try it. Ayan, without sausawan, without anything. Ito lang. Let's try it. Na-squeeze dito guys. Lumabas yung yung mga buto-buto. Okay, let's try this here. Ang sarap. Manamis guys. Ito yung gusto ko. Yung nagtatanim ka lang ng sarili mong veggies. Ayan. Okay. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you like it. Ang sarap. Super fresh. Organic tomatoes from the backyard. Merienda na. Let's eat.